I can watch YouTube videos on my Galaxy Watch. I can get these cool watch faces that are not available on the wearable app. And I can even measure the ambient sound level with my Galaxy Watch. I will show you how to do that and more in this video. Today, I'll show you the 9 best apps that completely transform your Galaxy Watch experience. The first and most important app is the Samsung Internet. It doesn't come as a default app, you need to install it from the Play Store. Samsung Internet is the best browser for your Galaxy Watch. Besides letting you use Google, you can use it to watch YouTube on your Galaxy Watch. You can even use it to access Instagram on your Galaxy Watch. It's one of the most useful apps to have. Another insanely useful app is WhatsApp for Wear OS. Yes, the official WhatsApp application on your Galaxy Watch lets you stay connected with people directly from your wrist without being connected with your smartphone. It's honestly very convenient to be able to quickly glance at WhatsApp messages and send replies without picking up your phone. If you're tired of using the same watch faces on your Galaxy Watch and want something unique and cool, then install the Facer app from the Play Store. It unlocks a whole bunch of new watch faces. Some of them are paid, but many are free to use. Just apply the Facer watch face on your Galaxy Watch and select your favorite design from the mobile app, and then it will be applied on your Galaxy Watch. So, on Apple Watches, you get a noise app to measure the ambient noise. On a Galaxy Watch, you can download the Sound Meter app to get the same functionality. I even tested it against the noise app on the Apple Watch, and the accuracy was good. Although there's a bit of lag when the sound level changes, but that's to be expected since it's not a native app. Another cool app is the Wow Mouse. It basically turns your Galaxy Watch into a mouse using which you can control your phone. After turning it on, the Galaxy Watch acts as a pointer. You need to move your hand to move the pointer on the screen, and you can click on the screen using gestures and scroll back and forth using the bezel. Next, you should definitely download a music streaming app like Spotify or YouTube Music on your Galaxy Watch. This will let you stream your favorite songs right from your Galaxy Watch. I mostly use these apps while running or working out since I don't like to carry my phone with me just for listening to music. Also, I can stream the music directly from the watch speaker or through a pair of earbuds, so that's extra convenience. Speaking of music, definitely get Shazam on your Galaxy Watch. Using it, you can instantly identify the songs or music that's playing around you. I personally love listening to music, so whenever I hear a song that I like, I instantly use Shazam to identify it so that I can listen to it later. If you also love listening to music, Shazam is a must-have app for you. Now, the default keyboard of the Galaxy Watch is not very efficient. To type the numbers, you have to scroll up and change the keyboard. You wanna insert emojis in the text, you have to swipe up and change the keyboard. Even inserting symbols or commas require extra steps. So install Gboard on your Galaxy Watch. Just go to Settings, General, Keyboard List and Default Keyboard, and select Gboard. Now while typing, you can easily access emojis, numbers, or symbols with a single tap. Last but not the least, the Edge Lighting app. It basically lights up the edges of your Galaxy Watch whenever you receive a notification. It glows red when the watch is charging and glows green when it's fully charged. If you're into customizing your Galaxy Watch, then you should definitely try this app. But fair warning, it may consume more battery, so I suggest you only use the effects while charging, which looks super cool. And that was it. These were all the best applications that you can get on your Galaxy Watch. Comment below which app you liked the best or if I missed any good ones. Subscribe to Wearholic for more wearable content, and I'll catch you in the next one.